Hi everybody, happy 2023 to all of you out there. We're glad that the holidays are over. Everybody needs a little break, and this winter weather, although it can be a little gloomy, is actually a really great time to kind of contemplate what went well in your garden last year, and more importantly, to make plans for the coming spring, because we know it's going to be here. I think it's like 59 days till the spring equinox. Groundhog's Day is right around the corner, and so what we're going to do, we're going to start off every week with a little bit of a seed update, because you know it's spring, or spring is coming, and when that happens, every gardener's fancy turns to thoughts of bountiful gardens and what they want to do, what their plans are for the spring. So it is a little bit early to actually start most of your seeds, but certainly we've got, you know, probably 1,700 different varieties of veg and herbs and flowers here at the garden center. So we have lots of choices for you, and you can come on in and we will help you pick the best veg. But in the meantime, what you can do is you can start making sure that you have all the proper equipment. So if you're a person that starts seeds year after year and you have some old trays, what you can do is make sure they're cleaned out. If sterilize them with a little bleach water solution, or if you need new trays, we've got lots of things from the old standard black plastic ones to these. We got these last year and they were so cute. They come in these really bright colors and they're super sturdy, so for sure this would last from season to season. And they're just really fun. And so we've also got lots of light, so if you're looking at the place where you want to start seeds and the light isn't optimal, new seedlings need a ton of light, you can come in, we can help you pick out whether it is an incandescent option or the new LED options. We have all kinds of labeling material, everything you need, and also you can get in your propagation mix, and so you can start doing that. Now, if you're really itching to start, the things that you can be sowing now are slow growing annuals, so things like pansies, these bedding dahlias, impatiens, that kind of thing. Or you can start sowing, these are perennial wildflowers. These are from Prairie Moon. They're a vendor of ours out in Minnesota. And Prairie Moon is great. They have all native to the Midwest wildflowers. And so if you're into gardening for pollinators, this is a great option for you, picking up some specialty seeds of things that will be really great for adult pollinators like butterflies and hummingbirds and that kind of thing over the summer. And so you could stop in and get that kind of thing. We're also going to say that this is the last weekend for Christmas sales. So holiday decor is at 90% off and will be through the weekend. There's not a ton left, but there are some super cute things, including some really great dinner plates with candy canes on them. So if you've always wanted some special holiday dinnerware, this is your chance to get it and save a ton. We're going to finish off by saying that we have started to update our calendar for the spring, so you can see events, workshops, Sprouts Clubs, any seminars or clinics that we're having. Sign up for those things, and you can also come into the Garden Center and get your advance tickets for the Garden Expo, which is from February 10th to the 12th. This is one of our really big late winter events. We have all hands on deck at the Alliance Center. We'd love to see you there, but you can get your tickets in advance and save a couple of bucks. So happy late winter. We really want spring to come, but we know it's going to be a little while yet, from all of us here at the Bruce Company.